Hi, my name is Ashish and this is the new video for the Amazon Web Services Solution Architect level exam. In this video we will see what is Amazon Route 53. What is Amazon Route 53? Amazon Route 53 is a highly available and scalable domain name system. Like your DNS, Windows DNS is a web service. We can use Route 53 to perform three main functions in any combination: domain registration, DNS routing, and health checking. Things we can do, as we discussed, we can do register the domain names. Like you buy a new domain, you can route your internet traffic to the domain. Like you bought a domain from, or you have an existing domain with you, you can route your traffic, you can route the internet traffic to go to your specific domain. You can check the health of your resource by enabling the CloudTrail logs, and you can also enable the CloudFront CDN with Route 53 to serve your data more quickly from the cache. Well, as discussed, I'm onto the console here, and what I did was I went into the console, I selected Route 53. You can do it this way, or you can click on services and you can go under networking, and here you can see Route 53. You get on the same screen. So, as mentioned, they have enabled this lovely flash screen describing what all Amazon Route 53 can be used for. You can do Dns Management if you already have a domain name such as example.com. Route 53 can tell the domain name where on the internet to find web servers, mail servers, and other resources for your domain. You can manage the traffic. You can create and update these sophisticated routing policies to route end users to multiple endpoints. Availability monitoring. You can let the Route 53 monitor your health applications to check the health and availability of your domain. It can ping, or it'll ping your application in a frequent time zone in an availability period, so that you can check the health of your internet resource. You can do the domain registration. If you need a domain name, you can find an available name and register it by using the Route 53. Let's see how to register a domain name using the Route 53. So you can click here. You can click on register domain. It'll give you test.local. Let's see what the low price, no results. It's a popular thing, so you can retest. It's not coming up. Let's say you go for other.de. It says okay. You can check it. We'll check the availability of the domain. The same thing like you do for any other domain hosting websites. Let's say you go for test app. Test.de is not available, so let's say you go for doctors test. Okay, click on continue. You fill in all your details, and that's how you'll get the domain name. I'm not gonna buy test dot whatever for this session, so I was just hoping to show you what all can be done and how you register domain. You must have registered the domain quite many times. So if you come on the dashboard again of Route 53, you have the DNS Management. Is an authoritative DNS service. DNS is the system that translates human readable domain names into the IP addresses. With authoritative name servers and data centers all over the world, Route 53 is reliable, scalable, and fast. So it says, okay, let's create a host, create hosted zone. Let's say I have stop being and I have this domain, public hosted type. Click on create. These are the name servers that are provided by the Amazon by default, and this is the start of authority that you would read. Okay, you can click here. Okay, now let's say you want to create the IP address IP4. You can want to create a Cname record, you want to create an MX record, like you do the stuff on your on-premise DNS server. You want to create a name server record. You'll just here select it on the type, select the type of a record that you want to mention in the name here, mention in the value, time seconds. You want to go for weighted, latency, failover, geolocation, multi-value. You want to select it. This is how a simple Route 53 lab is. This was just a overview lesson that I wanted to share with all of you guys. So I hope you liked it. Please like and comment on the video. Please share this video with everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day ahead.